Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a lot of work. We basically had to service the entire machine, disassembling the boiler, replacing the gaskets from the top piece, bottom piece, and from the side glass and the steam one assembly. So yeah, we did have to do a lot of work just to show you the previous condition of the machine. Let's see if I can make it focus. You can see it. That was the condition of the machine before we actually got to it. We had to cut this little piece. This is the brass piston piece of the machine. Unfortunately, this got really stuck to it. Let me get it a little bit closer. So it was almost impossible to remove, and as you can see, it's extremely corroded. It was in really bad shape. There was a lot of scale build up and a bunch of other stuff going in there, and yeah, that was the condition of the machine. The steam one was completely full of milk, and as you can see now, it's now completely clean. That's a little bit more close to the piston group. This is the other side of the machine, which is this one that you're seeing right here. Focus camera, perfect. And yeah, we did a lot of work. We removed the boiler, that's the upper piece of the boiler. We cleaned everything around here, made sure that there was not a lot of coffee or anything like that. That's the boiler itself. We also cleaned everything around it. Those are the rods that are connected between this piece and the bottom part, which basically holds the whole machine together. Some of them were in a bit bad condition. We had to polish them, clean them. This is how they work. This is when we polish them. It's kind of hard to keep track with all the pictures sometimes. This is the group head gasket. We did clean everything inside, and that's my rudder. So yeah, that's now the condition of the machine, which is right here. As you can see, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, we do not have the portafilter, so we won't be able to do a nice espresso shot like we usually do. And if you're curious, these are all the little gaskets, all the little parts of the machine that got replaced. All these little things, including the side glass, the assembly, the part that I told you that we had to cut. Yeah, this is the one. More gaskets and everything. Yeah. Oh, we also had to replace this little part. This is like a spacer that is located right here. As you can see, the previous one was very damaged and was no longer rotating the way it should be. So yeah, we did a lot of work on this machine, and right now the machine, it's 1.5, not leaking anywhere. It's been running like that for a while already, and it's just doing great. So starting with the steam, because we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna show you the shower screen. It's gonna be a little bit messy since we don't have the portafilter, so sorry about that. So as you can see, excellent pressure coming out of the steam one, working perfectly fine. All the pressure is inside the little boiler. And now for the shower screen, like I say, it's gonna be messy because we do not have the portafilter. As you can see, easy to move the lever, working perfectly fine. With a good water flow coming out of the machine. And there you have it, Zacconi Ribera looking and working better than before. Oh, one thing that we also did, this machine was overheated because it was running, it ran for 3 hours and it overheated, and basically the fuse of the machine had to be replaced. It burned out, and that was the main reason that this machine got here. And then we just this had to service everything else about the machine as well. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.